Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is January 17th, 2026, and this is my weekly market review. So I'm reviewing Nasdaq 100 QQQ on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, yes, I'm getting to this late. At an event yesterday. Congratulations to the new married couple. Since I don't see any photos or anything out there, I would not mention any names. They may not want people to know at this time. And, well, share who they want to share it with. All right, but let's go here and take a look at these charts. I see I haven't resized yet. Let's resize this a little bit, move this over a little bit, move this out a little bit, and go with it. All right, maximize this quarterly chart and see what we see. We see, I put my 630 number back up. We did not close above that. We haven't been able to get a close above that yet. I was thinking it was going to happen yesterday, but I didn't realize yesterday was option expiration day. On option expiration day, very seldom you get a big move to the upside on that, unless the market had dropped really, really, really crazy the previous day. But that's that. And I'll probably mention that on each video, just to get that out of the way, because we didn't break our tops yet. But that's what we see. We're seeing a doji form right now at the top on this quarterly chart. Maybe we are at a top and getting ready to drop. Just got to kind of wait and see what's going on. But let's go ahead and go down to our monthly chart and see what we see there. Zoom, 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 zoom in here. Again, like I said, on this monthly chart, what we're seeing is this, again, since this is the first quarter, and let me get rid of this line here. This was something probably with my day trading on the Qs. Let me remove drawing and all. We're getting another doji, but this is going to be the second month with a doji here at the top. This doji is a little bit higher. We got a higher low and a higher high on this doji. And, well, we don't even have a higher high. This high might be just barely enough higher. But the thing is, we can't, again, this candle right here is in control. These sellers are in control of this market at this time. And all. They are not letting this market go above this point yet. And all. So we got to wait until they get all filled up and ready for this thing to rock and roll. But we are still above the 9-10 moving average. That means we are still in a bull market. So things are still kind of okay, but just keep your stops in place. And all. What's going based on your trading plan, your trading strategy, just trade accordingly and all. Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see there on this weekly chart. As we can see, this past week, zoom, zoom, zooming in there, another doji and all. And the only bad thing about this, not bad thing, but the thing that you got to be careful of and watch is right now we are forming a bearish harami at the top in the right location with indecision in this market. So again, you got pivot. It came down to pivot and bounced here on this with these monthly pivots, and we went up to an RR1, couldn't close above this RR1, couldn't close above this 630 number. So again, this is the range that we're in right now. You can almost play 610 to 630 and all to see if it's going to drop. If you're going to get a good drop, you should drop well below that and all. If it's going to drop, if we're going to pop, we should get a close above 630 and all, and it hasn't happened yet. So that's what I see here and all. But that's that. And it's just, again, a tight week. Let's go ahead and go down to our daily chart and wrap this on up. Take a quick look at this. And I want to still, you can see back here, when I see back here, this is this selling and this gap stuff that, let me see, this is this selling stuff back here. You can see the high, all-time high is back here somewhere, and you can see this big gap in this area back here. And this market hasn't been able to get above that. And that's what I really want to be able to show here on this overall daily picture. But let's zoom on in here and see what happened these past few days and all. And as we can see, a lot of red candles this week and all. Red candles, red candles, red candles, red candles, red candles, red candles, red candles. And this early in the week we did, again, like I said, we touch. That's what happened on Thursday. So since we touched that and pulled back on Thursday, I guess I wasn't really hoping. I was kind of How did that candle turn red and all? Yeah, I think it was red and all the other day. But what's happening here is the market can't close above this level right here. Again, we got a lot of chop here in this area. This market has been consolidating here. A big, well, it's not really a big range. It's like a $10 range. You know, this past week, definitely this past week, a $10 range, 620 to 630. We haven't been able to get above 630. But it creates some great day trading, y'all, to the upside and to the downside if you know how to play it and if you got pretty good indicators on intraday type stuff. But that's it. That's all I really see. I see this market still having a hard time with Expiration Friday going past us. Come next week, we're going to have a lot of we got earnings season really starting. The real kickoff of earnings season is starting next week. You know, maybe earnings season is going to be the kicker or the event to actually push us over this top and let's go higher. But that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.